I removed the muffler from the engine body. I can see that it's a little bit kind of old. It's some sediment on top, so it's apparently it's been staying like this for a while. I'm not sure if I need to use the heat gun. Let me see. No, I don't need it. Wow. I will have to clean it too. Oops. So this one needs to be burned because apparently it won't work as it should be. So what we see here is well, the rings are okay to rings. I don't see that many scratches in here. So it should work fine. Now I need to remove the fuel tank to wash it. Alright. Let me see. To remove the flywheel and let's say not to break it, let me see what I can do actually. Let me see. Well, I need to use probably old good method for removing such flywheels. No, it's this one. Oh wow, it's black, so I have to wash it, I have to clean it. Yeah, I probably need to disassemble to clean it a little bit.